Bonjour everybody, this is Amiraj and I welcome you to the chapter Chercher du Travail of CBC class 10 French, that is leçon 3, and today we'll be starting with this chapter. Okay, so let's get started with the conversation given in non-session. Okay. Maître Châtelet, Pauline rencontre sa cousine Adeline Franc qui habite Rome après longtemps. So it says that metro is going on and Pauline meets her cousin Adeline Veron who lives at this Reims after a very long time. So we have to understand that Pauline has met her cousin after a very long time. Okay. Pauline says, Ah, Adeline, quelle surprise! Adeline says, Salut Pauline, ça va? Oui, ça va. Et toi? Qu'est-ce que tu fais à Paris? So Pauline says that, Oh, Adeline, what a surprise. Adeline says, Hi Pauline, how are you? So Pauline says, I'm fine. And what about you? What are you doing at Paris? Ça fait 6 mois que j'ai quitté Rome. Maintenant, je travaille donc je suis contente. It says that it has been, you can say, 6 months that I had quitted Rennes. Now I have a work of which I am happy. Content, happy. Pauline says où? Où means where. Adeline says l'entreprise dans laquelle je travaille se trouve à 5 mètres d'ici. Je suis secrétaire. So the enterprise in which I work, you can find it at 100 meters from here. Okay, I am a secretary. Pauline says that qu'est-ce que tu fais comme travail? What do you do like the work? So basically Pauline is trying to inquire about Adeline's actual work, that what she exactly does. Is that clear? Okay. Now this paragraph is very important because subjective questions are asked from here in your board exam. So kindly pay attention. Ok. Ah, tu sais, au bout du travail intellectuel et manuel, je dois prendre des notes que je dois rédiger sous forme de lettres sur l'ordinateur. Je tape des textes que je dois imprimer sur l'imprimante. Je range les dossiers et je fais des photocopies. Une secrétaire a beaucoup de choses à faire, mais c'est un poste dont je suis fier. So it says, it is a bit of, we can say, intellectual and manual work. I have to take the notes, okay, that I have to, you can say, register. I forgot the meaning actually. You'll have to search the meaning of this. I actually forgot. Underform the letters. So basically, I think it means printing. Maybe. Nay, printing is empty. Just confirm the meaning of this line. Should type the text. So I type the text that I have to print on the printer. I arrange the files and I make the photocopies also. A secretary has a lot of things to do, but it is a post of which I am proud. Okay. Que c'est intéressant, on se reverra un de ces jours. So what this is interesting. So Pauline is saying this is interesting. So here you can see Rafara is the future sample, as you know. Okay, so she wants to rewatch a lot of those days, right? Again, Adeline says, au revoir, Pauline, bye, Pauline. Okay. Dire vrai ou faux, say true or false. Pauline rencontre sa tante Adeline Veron, so this is faux. It should be cousine, basically, cousine. Adeline est en vacances à Paris. What do you say? Is it so? Not for the vacation. She has been working in Paris, right? So just confirm this. Adeline travaille à Rennes. Adeline est secrétaire. Adeline est bien son boulot. So you need to do this on your own. This can also be done easily. And these questions are never asked, so we must not worry about it. Let's understand dans expression. Dans présente ou en valeur au mot précédé la preposition de. So if there is a preposition de and preceding it, that the preposition is before something, okay, then we use the to replace it. Dom, if it gives the meaning of, like of this, of which I am, right? So that kind of a thing. For example, j'ai un travail, je suis content de ce travail. I have a work, I'm happy of the work. So of which I am happy, of the work can be replaced with of which. So j'ai un travail dont je suis content. Okay, I have a work of which I'm happy. Alors nous avons un travail, right, dont nous avons contente. C'est la situation qui est donnée, ok, devant nous. Okay, so we'll be discussing from here in the next session. J'espère que tu t'amuses bien et do let me know in the comment section si tu t'amuses et tu apprends toutes des choses. This is Amiraj signing off. Merci.